It is a little strange listening to Christmas music about the winter wonderland when it's not a bit cold.
Rainy season can sometimes be a bit boring. It might be kind of like winter in America because in America, I guess you I don't know, can you go outside in the snow? I mean...
The day that it rained, we were all gonna go to the river, but it was flooding and Dad was scared that we'd like drown or something.
Sometimes flash floods can come without warning.
Lots of people have died.
I don't know about that.
I haven't heard of it killing anybody because usually people are smart enough to get away in time, but I don't know.